Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to you and to your family. This is Anas. Anas is with me. Uh, he says something about himself. Please start.
Salam everybody. Good evening all. My name is Anas. I am a student
Of
of
class.
class 1. I am a 7 years old. I am a good student, good boy,
And to good boy.
and a good boy. I
Like
like to
read.
read books.
My hobby
My hobby is
gardening.
gardening.
I want
I want to
be
be a doctor.
I have
I have a
family.
family.
There
There
are
are
5 members in my family.
members
In my
in my family.
my father's
My father's name is Mukles. He is a
businessman.
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 And to
And-
my mother
And to my mother
name is
name is Shuma.
she
She is a
Hausa.
houser.
That's
This
all
all
about me.
about me.
Pray for me.
Pray for me.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. এইভাবে যদি আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করি তাহলে আমরা অবশ্যই নিজেকে ভালো করে ইংলিশ শেখার একটা প্রক্রিয়া তৈরি করতে পারবো। আনাজকে আমরা সাথে নিয়ে নিজেকে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করার চেষ্টা করেছি যাতে আমরা ভালো করে ইংলিশ শিখতে পারি। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।